Hello everyone! Nandito na naman si Teacher Karen para magbahagi na naman sa inyo ng panibago nating lesson. So, ang topic natin ngayon ay square roots of whole numbers. So, in elementary mathematics, you have learned that in finding the area of a circle, we use the formula A is equal to pi r squared, where A represent the area of the circle, R represent the length of the radius, and for the value of pi, which represents the ratio of the circumference and diameter of a circle, our teacher told us to simply use 3.14 as its value. Have you ever wondered why we were told to use such value for pi? So, since we have learned in the previous lesson that pi is an irrational number. Why? Kasi ang totoo talagang value ng pi is non-repeating and non-terminating decimals. Non-repeating kasi hindi umuulit ng numbers. Pero, hindi siya humihinto sa pagka kinuha natin yung value niya, tuloy-tuloy siya kasi may ellipsis siyang tatlo. Pero wala siya umuulit na decimal number. For example, 1.333333. Yung 3, repeating decimals yun. Pero siya hindi. For example, 0.12345 ulit, tapos magiging 5, 3, 7. So, different numbers. So, non-repeating siya, pero non-terminating decimal din siya. Ibig sabihin, walang katapusan, pero hindi walang umuulit na number. Paiba-iba ng arrangement yung numbers niya. So, that is irrational number. Kaya yung pi, we will consider it as irrational number. Kaya lang, naging 3.14 siya kasi ni-rounding off siya into the nearest hundreds. Kaya naging 3.14. Can you imagine if we try to use the value of pi to at least 10 decimal places? So, napakahirap sa atin para mag-compute ng area of a circle. Kasi ang daming decimal places. So, thanks to our elementary teachers for allowing us to simply use its value to the nearest hundreds. What a relief. So, the divide and average method can be used to approximate square roots. This method works as follows. If square root of A is equal to B, then A is equal to B times B, and A over B is equal to B. This means that when A is divided by its square root B, if we use an estimate for B that is less than B for a divisor and the quotient is greater than B, the average of the divisor and the quotient can be used as new estimate for B. So, mamaya, makikita nyo kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa paggawa ng estimating square roots. So, after we estimate the square root, we will plot it into a number line. In math, a number line can be defined as straight line, with numbers placed at equal intervals or segments along its length. So, meaning, ang number line ay straight line siya na may dalawang arrowhead sa magkabilang dulo, meaning tuloy-tuloy siya. So, that is infinitely. So, yung direction niya papuntang kaliwa, yun yung pababa or yun yung may mga negative. And then, yung papuntang kanan, that will be positive or pataas or ascending. And then, pag going to the left is descending. Pag nag-plot tayo ng number sa isang number line, for example, yung rational number, so ganito yung magiging itsura niya. For example, we have plot square root of 25 on a number line. So, square root of 25 is equal to 5. So, ngayon, ito yung number line natin. Naka-plot yung point sa 5 kasi ang sagot sa square root of 25 is 5. So, meaning, itong 5 that will be the square root of 25. Yan yung rational numbers. Pero later, ang ituturo ko naman ay paano mo ipa-plot yung irrational numbers on a number line. So, una, first example, we estimate square root of 40 to the nearest hundreds. So, hahanapin ngayon natin, una, so estimate square root of 40 to the nearest hundred. Yung una nating gagawin ay hanapin natin kung ano yung pumapagitna sa kanya kay square root of 40. So, ang pumagitna sa kanya ay si 36 and 49. Saan ba galing si 36 tsaka si 49? Kapag minultiply natin si 6 by itself, 6 times 6 is 36. And then si 7, pag minultiply natin by itself, that is 7 times 7 is equal to 49. So, si 6, pag minultiply mo by itself, 36, tapos si 7, pag minultiply mo by itself, 49, wala si 40. So, meaning siya yung nasa gitna, 36 at saka ni 49. So, square root of 36 is less than square root of 40 and then less than square root of 49. Square root of 36 is equal to 6. Square root of 40, siya yung nasa gitna, and then yung square root of 49 is 7. So, because 40 is closer to 36 than 49, we will try 6.3 as an estimate of square root of 40. Kasi pag dinoble mo si 6.3, ang lalabas 39.69. Ngayon kasi, bakit hindi na lang 6.4? Kasi pag si 6.4, dinoble mo, minultiply mo siya sa sarili niya, ang makukuha mo ay sobra sa 40. Magiging 40.96. So, hindi na siya pwede kasi sobra na siya. So, ang gagawin natin, hindi si 6.4, ang gagamitin natin si 6.2 kasi siya yung pinakamalapit. So, ang next step natin, i-divide natin yung in-estimate natin na 6.3 sa 40. So, pag dinivide mo yung 40 sa 6.3, makukuha ngayon natin ay si 6.34. Si 6.34, pag minultiply mo by itself, ang makukuha niya ay 40.1. So, pagka ni-rounding off mo to into the whole number, 40 pa rin yung lalabas niya. Hindi pa natatapos yan dyan. So, pagtapos mo i-divide yung estimate number mo sa 40, kukunin natin yung average. Pag sinabing average, mag-a-add ka, and then i-divide mo kung ilan yung in-add mo. Kung ilan sila. For example, 6.3 yung una natin. That is the estimation. Yung una natin na estimate. Ginamit natin dun yung kung ano yung gitna. Sino yung pumagitna sa kanilang sa number na yon. So, then, dito, pinang-divide natin yung estimate number sa 40. Yun yung hinahanapan natin ng square root. And then, ito yung nakuha natin, 6.34. So, gagawin natin, i-add natin yung 6.3 sa 6.34. Then, divide natin by 2 kasi dalawa sila. So, ang sagot, 12.64 over 2. Pag dinivide mo yan, ang sagot, 6.32. So, meaning, the square of 6.32 is 39.9424. Since, ang kinukuha natin ay nearest hundreds, which is this one, yung 4, yung katabi niya is 2, so, hindi madadagdagan ng isa to. So, still, that is 39.94. Since full number yung 40, pagka ito ay i-rounding off natin, magiging 40 na siya. Kasi 9 to, so above 5, mag-a-add tayo ng isa dito. So, magiging 40 siya kapag ni-rounding off into the whole number. So, meaning, square root of 40 is similar to 6.32. Ibig sabihin yan, hindi sila equal. Parang malapit na, almost, to the nearest hundred number. And then, plotting of, paano natin ipa-plot yung nakuha nating estimation root. Sa rational kasi madali lang kasi eksakto yung sagot niya. Pero, paano to pag irrational numbers na? So, plot square root of 40 on a number line. So, ang sagot na natin ay 6.32. So, meaning, ito yung number line. So, yung papunta dito is pa-negative na yun. So, nandito yung 0, then pa-positive, ascending, papunta doon ay descending. So, since nasa gitna, si square root of 40 kay 6 and 7, dito tayo mag-concentrate. So, since 6.32, yung 6 is the whole number, then mag-a-adjust tayo ng medyo, uusad tayo ng konti. So, ayan. So, ibig sabihin, ang plot na ito ay 6.32 and then yan ngayon yung square root of 40. Next, estimate square root of 110 to the nearest hundredths. So una, gagawin natin, ano ba yung two consecutive integers na nasa gitna si 110. So ibig sabihin, si 100 at saka si 121. Okay, saan na naman galing yung 100 na yan? Kasi square root of 100 is 10. Tapos square root of 121 is 11. Pag sinabi kasi yung consecutive, magkasunod. So si 10, tapos 11. 10 times 10 is 100. 11 times 11 is 121. So nasa gitna, ilang dalawa, si 110. So, ang estimation niyan, since yung mas maliit siya kaysa sa 10, mas maliit si 10 kaysa sa 110. So, 10 yung whole number natin. So, because 110 is closer to 100 than 121, we may try 10.4. Kasi pagka minultiply nyo ang 10.4 by itself, ang makukuha mo ay 108. So, 108.16. So, malapit na siya sa 110. Eh, ma'am, try natin yung 10.5. Okay, so kung i-calculate mo ang 10.5 at i-multiply mo by itself, so 10.5 times 10.5, ang makukuha mo dyan ay 110.25. So, sobra na siya. So, meaning, 10.4 lang yung estimate natin number. So, si 10.4 ay i-divide kay 110. So, 110 divided by 10.4. Since may decimal number na naman siya, so aandar ulit tayo para maging whole number. So, whole number siya, isang andar. Ganoon din sa kabila. And then yung blank, lalagyan natin ng 0. And then yung decimal point ay ilalagay din natin sa bandang dulo. Kasi pag nasa dulo yung decimal point, meaning that is whole number. So, sa nandyan nakapwesto yung decimal point natin, itatapat lang natin para sa sagot natin. And then, mawawala na yung decimal point doon sa divisor ninyo at yung decimal point nito ay nag-move. Tandaan nyo, pag whole number, automatic nasa dulo yung point, hindi nyo lang nakikita. Okay, so, pwede na natin divide. So, 110 divided by 104, that is 1. So, 1 times 104 is 104. And minus na ngayon natin silang dalawa. 110 minus 104 is equal to 6. And then bring down 0. 60 divided by 104 cannot be. So 60 divided by 104 cannot be. So magiging 0 yan. And then mag-a-add tayo na another 0. So 600 divided by 104 is equal to 5. 5 times 104 is equal to 520. So, i-subtract naman natin yan. So, 600 minus 520 is equal to 80. 80 divided by 104 cannot be. So, okay na yan dahil nakuha naman natin na yung pinakasagot. And then, yung 10.4, kukunin natin yung average nilang dalawa. Tsaka yung 10.5, i-add natin, then we will divide it into 2. So, 10.4 plus 10.5, that is 20.9. Then divided by 2, that is 10.5. So, ibig sabihin, pag we will use the average as the next estimate, step B and C may be repeated until your divisor and quotient agree in the 100 place. So, 110 divided by 10.45. Kasi kailangan maging nearest tenths na, hundreds na siya. So, ilang under yan? Dalawa. So, dalawa din dito. And then 0, then decimal point. Then, we will divide 1,100 into 1,045. Makuha tayo ng 1. Then 1 times 1,045 is equal to 1,045. And then, ima-minus natin siya. 1,100 minus 1,045 is equal to 55. And bring down 0. 550 divided by 1,045 cannot be. Then mag-a-add tayo ng 0. So, 5,500 divided by 1,045 is equal to 5. So, 5 times 1,045 is equal to 5,295. So, ima-minus natin yan. 5,500 minus 5,225 is equal to 275. So, mag-bring down tayo ulit ng another 0 para ma-multiply na, ma-divide natin sa 1,045. So, 2,750 divided by 1,045 is equal to 2. 2 times 1,045, that is 2,090. So, i-minus natin yan, magiging 660. And then, we will add again 0. So, 6,600 divided by 1,045 is equal to 6. 6 times 1,045 is 6,270. Minus natin 6,600. Ang magiging sagot ay 330. And then, itong sagot natin na 10.526, pag ni-rounding off mo yan, ay 10.53. So, yung kaninang 10.45, i-add natin sa 10.53 then divided by 2. So, 20.98 divided by 2 is equal to 10.49. Hence, square root of 110 is similar by 10.49. So, paano siya ipa-plot? So, since 10 yan, 40.49. So, ito yung number line natin. Nasa gitna siya ni 10 at 11. So, doon lang yung ipa-plot. That is 110. Okay? So, see you again next time. God bless you and thank you.